Hey Tim, I want to teach you how to make a BB gun target today, so you can shoot at home or in your room or whatever. So all you need is a BB gun, a stapler, a brown paper bag, and a couple of foam blocks right here. Like this. And I also printed out this picture of a target that I could use to paste onto the brown bag. So you start by taking the target that you have and stapling it like this on top. Like perfectly like this. Then just put in the foam blocks. Enough so that it fills up the whole bag. Then you have something like this. The reason why we use foam is when you shoot the BB, it gets stuck inside. Well, not really stuck inside, but close to the like the top part of it. So you can take it out easily, and it won't hit the wall or won't damage or anything. Even if you use .12, .2, any kind of BB. Then you just go like this, and you take your BB gun, and then just shoot it. As you can see, my aim wasn't that well, but it shot right here. And the BB gun's stuck somewhere here. I can't really get it out right now, but it's stuck and you could just get it out easily. And that's it. That's how you make a target for your BB gun.